Hey, if you're watching this is a quick demonstration of the FCH-Toolkit and its capabilities. First, I'll go over the website, and then I'll go over the Discord bot, optional, and then I'll go over the optional downloadable tool. For starters, if you own a group and you have fully set up your account on this website, you have access to the community archive. Secondly, if you have already set up your group, you will have a manage page for your group, where it displays several useful statistics. Joins and leaves over time, the rate of growth for your group, moderation activity, and instances hosted. In the moderator overview tab, you can either manually add moderators to give them access to this page and various buttons on it, as well as assign them specific permissions. Alternatively, instead of adding and removing moderators manually, you can delegate that to a role. If you have the Discord bot set up, you can assign a role ID to it, and anyone with this role ID will be automatically given access to the archive, although if you want to give them extra permissions, you will still have to do so manually. The calendar tab displays all current events set up for your group. It also lets you schedule them. For example, this has a 1 next to it. That means there is one event already scheduled for this day. Additionally, unlike the VRChat website, you can schedule daily or weekly recurring events, and these propagate every Sunday at midnight server time. The group settings tab is not fully complete yet. Some of these settings may be subject to change. However, currently, you can enable the downloadable tool for your group, allow automatic access for your moderators, and also automatically ban users from the aforementioned community database. The moderation archive shows your entire audit log for your group. By default, it is sorted by moderation. This is one of the core features of the toolkit, the ability to tag kicks. For example, this user was kicked by Eleanor Valance for client use and ban evasion. Moderators can click Edit and add quick tags to each entry, or put in a longer manual note. For example, this user reached out to Eleanor via their private Telegram. Evidence of doxing. Save. And now it is included right here. Quick tags are much easier. Moderators can kick dozens of people a day. Naturally, filling out an entire note for every entry would get kind of boring. Thus, they can just click Add Tag, TOS, Save. Done. You can also add custom tags for your group, although the toolkit does come with plenty preloaded. You can also manage bans for your group. And, unlike the VRChat website, apply temp bans. For example, if I want this user to be unbanned in a week, I would click this button and then create temp ban. And then after a week, they would be unbanned automatically, just like this person was. Finally, on the website, you can create a watch list for your group. This watch list is basically a known bad actor list unique for your group. Only your group has access to this. It allows you to keep a database on known troublemakers that communicates with the downloadable tool, which I will demonstrate later, to save persistent data on certain users. And that is it for the features currently available on the website. There is a community database for pedophiles and zoophiles currently. You can add moderators to give them access to the archive and optionally other features. You can configure recurring events, see some basic statistics for your group, configure settings, and create a database of known bad actors for your group. This also comes with an optional Discord bot integration. All you have to do is invite the Discord bot and run /setup in a command that the bot can see. It's perfectly fine to run it in general. Once it's set up, new logs will appear in these designated channels. As you can see, Buzzy Wicker Bee was warned by Cato 2 days ago, and just like the archive page on the website, you can tag it, add a note, or add a new tag. So if this person was warned for non-compliance, I could simply click non-compliance. If I want to remove a tag, I can simply uncheck it. If I want to add a tag, I would simply add it here. Or if I wanted to add a longer note, I could type whatever I wanted here. There is also a support channel available right here that will receive announcements from my development server, as well as provide a direct line of communication to me. If you type in this channel, it will get forwarded to my server, and I can reply directly to you. Think of it as a personal, permanently open help ticket or support desk for the bot. Finally, I offer an optional downloadable tool. Your moderators, if it is enabled, can click Show Off Token, copy it, and paste it into here. Doing so will connect them with your group's watch list tab. Let's find my entry that I made for myself. There we go. Pinkiest, stinkiest. I'll go here, and then I will click on here. The first tab is simply the login tab. The second tab is Instance Monitor, and as you can see here, since I have my group added, the note placed on my account in the watch list is now available in-game. Additionally, you can see that I am marked yellow. If I were to click Notify on Join and press Save, let's rejoin this instance. And keep the tool open. It plays the designated noise in your settings tab. And now I am red. This allows you to audibly notify your moderators if the user joins your instance. And in the next version of this tool, it will also provide a notification in-game via a VR overlay. You can also use this toolkit even if it's not enabled by your group. As you can see here, you can add local tags for yourself. Only you, as the moderator using this tool, can see the tag that you set here. So if I've put Big Stinker as my notes, another moderator in the same group as me cannot see this. They are all stored here. If you click Watch or the eyeball, it will audibly notify you with this notification sound if they join your instance. This allows you to combine your own personal database with your group's database. Personally, I use it to keep track of people who have me blocked, so that if they join the instance, I can once again try to get them to unblock me if it's in a moderation or if it's in an instance that I moderate. There's also a tab that lets you explore logs, so your log file. And there is a World Moderation tab. This tab, although it does not work currently, it will be re-implemented in the next version of the tool as of probably 1.14.26. It will display all of the emojis, stickers, and prints captured in your instances, along with a dedicated instant report button. And as I've already shown, you can configure custom sounds in the Settings tab. And that is all for now. In summary, the tool allows you to tag bans for easy sorting, add notes, keep a database on known bad actors if you want your moderators to watch some people more closely than others, some basic statistics with more detailed statistics to come, organize your group calendar, manage your moderators and view their activity, and finally, view your group's bans and set up temp bans. Thank you for considering my tool.